Welcome to our deep dive. Today, we're going to be taking a quick look at some open houses curated by Brad Cox.
Oh, absolutely. This is going to be fun.
Yeah, Brad's a real estate agent with the Heaps Estrin team. Um, and we're going to uncover what makes these listings stand out and why you might want to add them to your must-see list.
Yes, and the cool thing is that beyond these open houses, Brad also has access to a whole network of exclusive off-market properties.
Oh, wow.
So there's more than meets the eye here.
Interesting. So he's got some secret properties up his sleeve.
He does. He does.
And I've also heard that he is known for creating truly bespoke buying experiences for his clients.
Yeah. Yeah, he's not your average real estate agent. He really goes above and beyond.
Okay, so this should be good.
All right, should we jump into the first property?
Yeah, let's do it. What do we have?
Okay, so first up, we have 671 Millwood Road.
Okay.
It's listed at $1,249,900 and boasts 3 bedrooms.
All right, not bad. And what makes this one stand out?
Well, what's interesting about this property is the detached garage with a Tesla charger already installed.
Oh, very cool.
As you know, electric vehicles are becoming increasingly popular.
For sure.
This feature offers both convenience and potential value appreciation.
I love that. Okay, what's next?
Next on the list is 207 Marlborough Place,
Okay.
priced at $1,349,000, a 2-bedroom plus 1 home.
All right, and the standout feature.
This one features laneway access to the backyard,
Okay.
which opens up possibilities for creating a secondary dwelling unit, like a laneway suite.
Ah, that's a great idea.
It's a great way to add flexibility and potentially generate rental income.
Very cool. All right, let's move on. What's next?
Okay, moving on to 369 Mount Pleasant Road.
Okay.
Listed at $1,599,900, this home offers 3 plus 1 bedrooms.
And what makes this one unique?
The standout feature here is the triple-car garage, a rare find in the city.
Oh, wow.
For car enthusiasts or families with multiple vehicles, this is a huge plus.
I can imagine that's a dream for anyone who's ever circled the block for parking.
Absolutely.
All right, what's next?
Next, we're heading to 759 Eglinton Avenue East.
Okay.
It's listed for $1,749,000 and has 5 plus 2 bedrooms.
Wow, that's a lot of bedrooms.
It is, and this property stands out with its 2 potential primary bedrooms,
Oh, interesting.
offering flexibility for multi-generational families or those looking for a separate guest suite.
I like it. Okay, what else do we have?
On to the next one, we have 812 Duplex Avenue,
Quay?
listed at $1,789,000, a 3-bedroom home.
Okay, and what's special about this one?
Well, the sunken family room with vaulted ceilings and skylights creates a dramatic and inviting space for gatherings.
Oh, wow. I could picture that.
This unique architectural detail adds character and a sense of grandeur.
All right, now to the next one.
Let's move on to 110 Headington Avenue.
Okay.
It's listed at $1,795,000 and offers 3 bedrooms.
All right, what stands out here?
This property seamlessly blends traditional charm with modern updates.
I like that.
The wood details and fireplace offer a cozy feel, while the updated kitchen provides modern functionality.
So it's got a bit of the best of both worlds.
Exactly.
All right, next property.
Next, we have 19 Southfield Drive,
Okay.
listed at $1,850,000 with 3 plus 1 bedrooms.
Okay, and what's the selling feature for this one?
This property backs onto a serene green space with trail access,
Okay.
offering a peaceful retreat right in the city for nature lovers.
Yeah,
This is a major selling point.
I can imagine. Okay, final property.
And finally, we have 198 B. Moore Avenue,
Okay.
listed at $1,868,000 and boasting 3 bedrooms.
All right, and what makes this one stand out?
This home offers 5 car parking, a valuable asset in an urban environment where parking is often at a premium.
Wow, 5-car parking. That's pretty impressive.
It is, and it's located right across from Moorvale Park and the Ravine entrance.
Oh, wow.
So you have nature right at your doorstep.
That's a great combination.
Yeah, it is.
So as we've seen, each of these properties offers something special. And remember, these listings are just a glimpse into what Brad Cox can offer.
Yes.
His expertise in curating unique properties and crafting bespoke buying experiences makes him a valuable resource for anyone looking to navigate the real estate market.
Yeah, if any of these features have piqued, your interest reaching out to Brad would be a great next step.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
All right, well, this has been great. I'm excited to learn more about Brad and his unique approach to real estate.
Yeah, me too. Stay tuned for the next part of our deep dive, where we'll delve deeper into Brad's bespoke buying experiences and his access to off-market properties.
Yes, you don't want to miss it. Yeah, it is pretty cool how those properties cater to such a wide range of needs and lifestyles.
Right?
But I think what really makes Brad Cox stand out is his approach to the whole buying process.
Right. Like it's not just about transactions with him, you know.
Right.
It's about understanding like the client's vision.
Yeah, so how does that work in practice?
Well, from what I've heard, like he really goes beyond just showing properties. He digs deep, like really gets to know what his clients are looking for. Not just like physical features, but like their lifestyle,
Yeah.
neighborhood dynamics, even like their future aspirations.
Oh, that's interesting. So it's like more than just finding a house.
Exactly. Yeah, it's finding like the right fit for their life.
Okay, so it's like he's like crafting this like bespoke buying experience.
Yes, exactly. It's totally tailored to their needs and goals.
So it's about creating a sense of home, not just like buying a property.
100%. Yeah.
You mentioned earlier that Brad also has access to off-market properties.
Oh, yeah.
Can you explain what that means and why it's beneficial for buyers?
Sure. So off-market properties are basically properties that aren't publicly listed.
Okay.
Like they're not on websites or apps. You won't find them through like traditional searches.
Oh, so it's like having access to like a secret stash of hidden gems.
Yeah, you could say that it's all about connections and networks.
Okay.
Brad's cultivated these strong relationships in the industry, so he often knows about properties before they're even available to the public.
Oh, so that gives his clients a huge advantage.
Yeah, for sure. They get a first look at these exclusive listings and can potentially like snag a property that might never even hit the open market.
Wow, that sounds like a real treasure hunt.
It is. It is.
Okay, so for someone who's like intrigued by what they've heard today, what's the best way to connect with Brad?
Honestly, the best way is just to reach out to him directly.
Okay.
He's super approachable, always happy to chat.
Cool.
You know, he can give you more details about those open houses, his off-market listings, and his personalized approach to creating, you know, a truly bespoke real estate experience.
So it's like having like a real estate concierge.
Yeah, exactly.
Someone who can guide you through the whole process.
Yes, and ensure you find that perfect property.
It sounds like he takes this stress and guesswork out of buying a home.
He does. He really does. He makes it enjoyable and rewarding.
Oh, that sounds like a win-win.
It is. If you're looking for a unique property and a personalized buying journey, Brad Cox is definitely the person to talk to.
Wow, we covered a lot of ground today.
Yeah, we did.
A lot of cool properties.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm really starting to get a feel for like Brad's unique approach to real estate.
Yeah, what stands out to me is like how each property really caters to like different needs and desires.
Right.
You know, from the eco-conscious buyer looking for that Tesla charger to the nature enthusiast wanting a tranquil backyard. Like there's something for everyone.
It really shows how important it is to have an agent who like understands those individual needs, you know,
Yeah,
and curates like a selection of properties that really resonate with you.
exactly. And that's where Brad Cox like really excels.
Yeah.
He doesn't just show you houses, he helps you like discover possibilities you might not have even thought of.
Right. So as we wrap up this deep dive, I'm curious like what resonated with you, our listener.
Yeah, what feature like sparked your imagination?
Was it that Tesla charger,
Yeah.
the laneway access, or maybe the serenity of a backyard oasis?
Whatever it was, hold on to that feeling.
Yeah.
It could be the first step toward finding your dream home.
And remember, Brad Cox has access to those exclusive off-market properties.
That could be a perfect match for your vision.
Exactly. So if you're ready to explore those possibilities and embark on like a personalized real estate journey, reaching out to Brad is the perfect next step.
Awesome. Well, thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the world of curated open houses and bespoke real estate experiences.
Yeah. Thanks for listening.
Until next time, happy house hunting.